What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, another day is in the books, which means we had another chance to get in our bag and do what we do. If you made money today, I want to hear all about it. Please do me a favor. Please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it, guys. I'm kicking it off, loving on a family. This one is from Giovanni. If you see this, man, I want to say major salute, man. I'm extremely excited about you, your journey. He said, "Hi, coach. My name is Giovanni. They call me Gio. I have been trading on my own about 2 years. I came across your YouTube videos about 3 months ago. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. Guys, we're going to teach. I'm going to teach you how to fish. I'm going to walk alongside you and make sure I keep it simple so that you guys truly learn how to trade at a mastery and an elite level. I was doing some gains, but I would give them back because I didn't have any good guidance. On April 27, 2024, a light bulb hit me and I decided to pay for the 1-year membership. Heck, I lose more money any given day than that of the membership fee. So I said to myself, why not invest in me first? Man, guys, do y'all hear this? Invest in you. Invest in you. We spend enough money on Jordans, on bags, on liquor, on clubs. Invest in you, because over here, what I'm teaching will truly change your life. That other stuff, you won't even see a return on that, okay? It's a feeling for a moment and then it's gone. This right here, you learn this, guys, it'll do something for generations to come. He said, well, today was my first day successfully trading with gains on SPY to the upside and riding the train for gains to the downside, just like you teach us. I wanted to share this with you, and perhaps this could inspire other people to trust and execute your teaching and stay the course. Guys, Gio did a phenomenal job. He also did a phenomenal job today to make it 2 days in a row. Now check this out, 8 contracts. He got in at 98 cents, took this up to 270. I know exactly the play he played. 173%. Okay, that's more than a double up. That's more than a home run. I love to see it. Easy over $1,000. And guys, he actually did this same thing to the downside as well, and he did it again today. I love to see you guys stacking small victories on top of small victories. I teach you guys every day. The base hit, that $100 a day I teach you guys to make consistently, eventually becomes a home run. $1,000 a day, $5,000 a day, $10,000. It's not out the realm of possibility, guys. It's truly possible when you put in the time, when you put in the effort, okay? Check this out, guys. Apple CEO Tim Cook boosts of future AI plans after earnings beat. Apple had a phenomenal bounce today after earnings, going up. Man, I've seen it at 170 today, and I've seen it go as high as 186 after earnings, okay? So we're going to talk all about that momentarily, okay? But just want to put that on your radar. And then one more quick note. The market is going to take off tomorrow, okay? But I need everybody to lock in. Look at this right here. The non-farms payroll, look at 830. Look at where it say non-farm payrolls. That news right there, if that comes in our favor, the market is going to, it's going to take off anyway, but it's going to truly take off. If it don't come in our favor, instead of taking off and then going to the moon, it'll just take off, and then once it hit resistance, the market going to come back down, okay? Either way, it's going to take off. One will take off nonstop. One will take off and then pull back, okay? Make a note of that for me. It's based off this 830 report that's going to come out around non-farm payrolls. No matter what time you are, Central, Pacific, Eastern, figure out what time it is for you. 6:30 if you're on the West Coast, 7:30 if you Central Time, 8:30 if you're on the East Coast, okay? Watch and look for non-farm payroll. You're going to see either the market bounce or you're going to see it pull back a little bit, okay? That's all you need to look out for me, okay? Now check this out, guys. We're going to talk and look at 4 stocks set to explode tomorrow based on all of this. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay guys, kicking it off with Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Look at this, guys, sitting at 183.75 at the time of this recording, but it is up over $10 in after hours, or 6.5%. Check this out. Remember, there are no coincidences in the stock market. Okay, this went up to 86.10. Okay, everybody make a note of that number. Whether tomorrow or Monday, it's going to hit 86.10. So no matter how low they pull it down tomorrow, when it pop back up, it's going to go to 86.10. Make a note of these little nuggets, guys. These are hidden gems that too often times get slept on. Nobody ever covers this kind of stuff. Okay, so it's coming down. 177 is support. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna come that low. If it do, you know we buy calls at support. So where it's gonna go? 177 to, it's gonna go up $10. Okay, between tomorrow and Monday. This is how you play this. Okay, for those of you that didn't play earnings, for those that want to know how to play after earnings, this is how you do it. Okay, I'm putting this on your radar tomorrow. This stock will explode. Okay, so again, on any pullback, this is a pullback, 86 to 83. That's what we mean when we say pullback. Okay, you let it come back down from where it came from. It can come down lower than this. It can come back to 82. It can come back to 80. It can come back to 77. Okay, those are the three levels to look for. Okay, non-farm payrolls will dictate what number they show us. Okay, so that's your cue to know to get in regardless if you guys are wanting to make some money with Apple on tomorrow. But nevertheless, they had a nice pop after earnings, and again, they should continue this momentum into tomorrow. Okay, check this one out, guys. The SPY, ticker symbol SPY. Because of Apple, this is getting a boost. They're sitting at 507. We are taking this to 508 tomorrow. Okay, wherever it's at, it's going to 508. Write this stuff down, guys. Okay, I'm gonna teach this I'm gonna get this instruction in the Discord in the morning. It'll be even more spot on than this video right here. It's going to 508 tomorrow because of the bounce and the momentum from Apple. Non-farm payroll may bring this down to 504, 505, okay? 503 even. But to the upside, we're looking for 506, 507, and 508. Those are three resistance levels to the upside we are looking to hit. Now listen to this. When you get to 508, that's heavy resistance, okay? That's heavy resistance. So that means it can get smacked all the way back down. Watch and react to what happens there. If we clear 508, it's off to the races. You get rid of, don't even think about puts. Okay? If it gets above 508, don't even think about puts. It's taking off and it's going back to 510 and beyond. Okay? That's going to the moon. Non-farm payrolls will help it do that if that comes in our favor. If it don't, then 508 might be the high. Does that make sense? Okay, and check this one out. The next one for you guys, I think this is number 3, is Google, ticker symbol GOOGL, sitting at 166.59. Put this on your radar for tomorrow. It was up over 1.5% today. It has went as high as 167 in after hours. Again, look for that level to be tested on tomorrow. Look for the news and non-farm payrolls to make a pullback if it's not good. Okay, that's an entry. That's all it serves as. The rest of this stuff will go up. Okay, keep these nuggets in mind. Okay, the trend is your friend, guys, until it's not. So you use pullbacks to get in, ideally at support, and you take it up. If support breaks, boom, you let your stop loss kick you out, you pivot, and you ride puts. That's the only time you jump into puts is once support breaks, okay? Or once something gets rejected at resistance because it's coming back down, okay? And then last but not least is my baby NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. This one was up 3% today. And if we get some more movement and momentum, whether it's Apple and or non-farms payroll, I want you guys to look for this one to head higher, okay? Possibly back to 900. 890-ish, okay? Wouldn't be out the question, okay? Keep your eye on that and then look for any pullback. Look at the low of today, okay? It came down here as a low of day was 833, okay? And so we bounced off of that level, recaptured 850, 854, and then to close out the day 860. Okay, look for that level, maybe this level right here, 858, 860 to be a retest level. You can even go as low as here. I would even say here 850, and then boom, look for that to rock it back to the upside. Okay, listen guys, take it one day at a time, one play at a time, and remember to run your race at your pace. Okay, look for high quality trade ideas and setups. Okay, and remember, if you manage your risk and you don't oversize, meaning you don't trade too big, you have less anxiety. Learn to master your craft. You have to learn to master your craft, because once you do, it makes you more comfortable adding more size, adding more contracts. Okay, don't try to not fully know what you're doing and you buying 15, 20 contracts and then you take a loss. That's how you damage your confidence. Okay guys, listen, Monday sets the tone, but Friday sets the standard. Be in the Discord first thing in the morning, and I'll probably give you guys some spot on guidance to make sure all y'all hit a home run to close the week and end the week with a bang. Okay, I need you guys to know the importance of having a win on Monday and ending the week on a strong note. Okay, that's very, very huge on your journey as a trader. Okay, we got our investments down. You buy, you hold, you buy low, you buy with long-term dividends. Okay, but when you move over to the trading side, okay, you have to come with a whole different mindset, what I call a championship mindset. You have to be ready to, again, psychologically go to battle with the trick, trap, and frustrate crew, because they will come out to play. Okay, listen guys, phenomenal job today. Way to stay the course. Whether you made money to the upside or downside, all of our levels was spot on. Okay, all you have to do is pick a direction on which way you want to make your money based off the levels given in every video and or in Discord. Okay, with that being said, guess what? I don't rest on my laurels. I don't care about yesterday. I'm already on to the next day. So be in the Discord first thing in the morning so we can get to it. Listen guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.